Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel! Today we got the piece of the Mesozoic NASUTOCERATOPS. We're gonna unbox it and review it. And we will compare it to a Dominion and a Dino Rivals NASUTOCERATOPS. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, we'll check the box. There you go, beautiful box. Ceratopsian series. It is from T2C. I think that's the artist who did this. So check the box. There you go. It means it's a large nose horn face. It comes with a collectible card inside. And all the info are right here. It is found in Utah, here in the USA. It's actually from the late Cretaceous. So what I'm interested here is the Styracosaurus, the green and orange one. Now I'll pass on the Medusaceratops. I want the smaller Protoceratops. This is a big one, so I don't want this. This one, I have no idea what this is. I've never heard of it. It says Psittacosaurus or Psittacosaurus. I don't know what that is. Diabloceratops, definitely I'm getting this. But the Triceratops, there's no need to because I have a lot already from Mattel. And they're way too expensive here, the Mesozoic. They're so pricey. So anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna check this one, Styracosaurus and the Diabloceratops. And let's open it up. And there's more info here. There you go. So I got this on eBay. I can't even find this on Amazon. Even at Etsy. They don't have an Etsy anymore. Even at their own site, the Creative Beast site, they don't have it. Alright. There you go. Let's take this one. God. Alright, in the next video we will do that Velociraptor. Jurassic Park. We'll see if we have time for that. Okay. Definitely worth the money here. Oh wow. So the background is beautiful. It's a swamp. That's really, look at that, so nice. Alright, let's check our yellow friend here. Okay, let's open him up. Okay, I think I got it. No, not yet. One more. Oh, there we go. Let's get the tail out first. Okay. Oh wow, really hard. Okay, I got it in. It's pretty hard. There we go. It shrivels. Alright, let's see the face. The mouth opens up, which is pretty good. Nice color here. This is our first yellow NASUTOCERATOPS. You can move the neck. The head can be moved. Look at that, just like that though. The horns of these are not that long as the Mattel version. Okay, let's grab the adult Mattel Nasuto. So Mattel's Nasuto is beefier compared to Beast Creative. The horns as well is longer. You can see that. The only thing that's odd about this Dino Rival is you can't see the eye. See that? It's like they forgot to paint the eye or something. If you push this, it gives you a gory action right there. This one's like a tail in the back. It swings the tail. That's pretty much it. There's no sound in this. They haven't made any variant on this one yet. I mean the adult, but this one's, it's also a Nasuto, but it's a baby version. This is from Dominion itself. Here's the Scanny DNA. So there you go. This one's really classic. This one is actually from, let's see, what year was this one made? 2018. Wow, okay. 5 years ago. So yeah. Let's see if you can swing its body. No, I don't think you can. It's just too hard. But it adds up to the collection though, of my Ceratopsian collection. So there you go. Mattel is bigger. Longer horns as well. We get the baby. Yeah. So yeah, thanks again for all the likes, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks again for the non-stop support. Hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Bye.